Hi mga kabalak, good morning. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon is ganap natin today mga kabalak is luto muna. Kailangan natin kakain, so kailangan natin magluto, no? Na-update ko lang kayo mga kabalak, ha? Ito muna yung gamit natin today, no? Yung rugged mga kabalak ba? Sa viewers ko, out of this country, far from this place, hello sa inyo. Sa lahat ng hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, ayan. Sabi nila may TFC subscriber. Yan mga kabalak ha. Mag-subscribe kayo. Sa akin mga kabalak, no? This page. Tinuturuan ako ng mama ko. Mag-subscribe daw kayo. Kahit na doon sa mga mga kabalak, yung mga foreign na hindi masyadong naiintindihan yung salita ko, pasensyahan nyo na, no? I think, basta panoorin nyo lang, no? Mga kabalak. Parang yan naman yung pag-subscribe, no? Ganun man, no? Kahit hindi gaanong naiintindihan yung salita ko, basta panoorin nyo lang good. Na masubaybayan nyo yung mga ganap ko ba sa araw-araw, mga single mama dyan, single darling na foreigner yung nagbabalak, come and get me. No, mga kabalak, no? If you like, then you even before you just want to find partners in your life, and then Asian, you love Asian guy, then I'm here for you, mga darling. So yun, I'm just what my advice is, come and get me. Ayan. So you have already partners na, no? So sa lahat ng mga not choosy, hindi maarte, ayan, medyo, and then have too much understanding in life, nandito ako para sa inyo. Sa mga single darling na foreigner, no? Ayan. Today we're going to cook simple food, egg and hot dog, pang chikiting ba, kabalak, no? mga single mama ba, no? Nagbabalak, naghahanap ng kapares. No? Ayan. Come visit here in Philippines. At saka, yun mga kabalak, no? Nag-upload ako kahapon ng yung music natin. For those watching those video, sana, ayun, kung nagustuhan nyo, kung ano man is, pwede kayong mag-comment mga kabalak, no? Ayun, kung maganda ba, may adjustment, we need to adjust a little bit for the note or else. Ayan. So, you really need to comment. Kita naman mo kabalak, very rugged yung ganito, no? Very, anong tawag niyan? Parang nasa ano ka? Parang nagka-camp. Ayan mga kabalak, yung luto natin ngayon, maubos lang natin yung oras, no? Ayan, no? Okay lang mga kabalak, no? Basta may kasamang kwentuhan, no? Yun sa mga foreign na mapanood nitong video na to, yun nga lang, no? Kasi yung hindi masyado ako sa English, medyo kulang pa. May mga basic, pero not too much na very bihasa, sufficient, parang ganun, no? Yung capability to speak English, parang ganun ba? Usually ganun man yung ginagamit ko. Yung iba na kahit na hindi sa ibang bansa na mga ibang salita, usually pag nagmi-meet sa Asian, they use the words English, yun ang ginagamit nila, mga kabalak, no? So, wala akong tayong magagawa, kundi ganun na lang din. Gustuhin man natin yung ibang words, pero kung mahirapan man lalo tayo, so doon tayo sa medyo marunong tayo magsalita na kahit konti, bahala na, no? So, doon sa mga foreign na nagbabalak, sa mga single mama, the best way is to, since I have a video on this page, I'm a vlogger ngayon, no? So, I think it's enough. No need to try to cook up something like to deeper and deeper to know what the ugali of a man. A man you like, a guy you like, to become your partners. So I think you have to really understand. If one day you meet and both together, and that's the time to try to feel what if you did not like the behavior of a man, that's the time. But this time, if you see this video, that's enough. That if you really like me, you're capable to take me to your place or here, you live here in this country, then come, visit here. You're welcome already. Di ba makabalak na? Ganun man yan. So, wait lang. Ayan, makabalak. Lagyan natin ng oil. Nood lang kayo mga kabalak ha. Watch lang already ha. Together with Chikahan. No? Ano yung gagawin natin? Kuha tayong pantakip. Takpan natin. We cover up for minutes only until the oil it could boil down. Yun ba yun? Boil down, and then that's the time we put what we cook here, no? So time check. We have already left already time. So, yun lang. We're going to Chikahan. So, yun. I advise yun sa lahat ng mga darling ng foreigner. If you really love to find a person who loves you, to take care of you. If you like Asian skin, something like this, then only have to do is to you have understanding in life. And then first, no need requirements already, because I'm sure you have put some requirements to me. But since what you see right now, and then you have to understand. No, come and get me, or even take me to your place, or you live here. If you're good enough to live here, you have comfortable feelings of that, then do it. No need to know too much longer myself, because you have a freedom already. If you soon, if we together, we met together, and then years, we're together even many years, or even very short years. If you did not like me, then you have a freedom to leave, or you stay right here, and then find another guy if you like, if you want. That's the freedom. You have to take that kind of, to put inside your heart and mind that kind of words, mga kabalak. Mga darling, sa mga nagbabalak. Too much balak. So you have to understand about my behavior, or what else, if I'm a good or not. Not so much, not take it longer. If one day you did not like the person, then you have a freedom to leave or stay here already, even though we are together. So, mga darling, all of you, single mama foreigner, that's it. It's very simple. Not to make it deeper, to know the man. Not too much that. Something like short. It's okay. Then you leave one day if you did not like. If you lose your love to me. So you have freedom. So I think, mga kabalat, for those watching this video, until next time, I think we're going to continue another video, because we need to go bye-bye because of time. So see you later. Mga kabalak, no? Ayan.